There you go. As long as you don't bump into anything, you can just walk around and film some stuff. Does that work for you?
You can talk when you're doing, say what the stuff is.
Right, this is a honeybee hive, right?
Yeah, it's out of a tree. There's a queen cell right there.
You can sit down in there. We'll walk back there and film the two if you want to. Just be careful and don't knock nothing over. Here's your...
That's the only one I got. You want me to get that out for you, bud?
Yeah, I was holding it up for him.
You did? Okay.
Is that a queen cell? That's a queen cell in there?
Yeah. No, that was just a limb.
Oh, it's a limb. I saw the end. And
No, there's actually, right here's a queen cell started right there on the very bottom right there.
oh, yeah.
So. Here, let me pick it up so you can get a better picture of it. See it?
We might be putting this on YouTube.
Might find it on YouTube, okay.
Yeah, we got a YouTube camera for Christmas.
Okay. You brought your own box. You must be prepared.
Well, we get tired of hunting.
Yeah, tell me about it. I got plenty over there. We just built 800 frames this thing for all of us. So.
Is that funny story?
But that's all I got.
In Western State Wildflowers.
You know what I do?
Got the
What I do on some of those sometimes is I'll take a plastic queen excluder.
I feel nice.
Good.